Previously on Students of Today.
You are what? Blackland?
I've heard numerous comments about you fighting day in and day out over a man.
Oh, John.
Buga na mana na.
But when man say na buga re. You relax. You buga.
Esa de oni eku. Da bi buga na ona oni esa no.
Alu. Uni. Jaya kola na ma mi ami kun akola.
Hey.
Students of today, gangsta, aka. The Juma who I identity a man for quick keys. Oh yeah, we be baby a man simple. AKABENEZER. I don't know say so child the French. Nice one teda. I say we be like on. The only man who we come. On pay what our phone. Tell you what the enam womb. Thou pedi enam womb. About forward this school man I was so. Branch is why I want to hear this young person. And I'm for pa. I want to want them. Like it. Students of today, yeah. Students of today, yeah. I go sing kwa, this year no dear Debbie, Messi, I go sing kwa, this year no dear Amumpo, yeah. Students of today, yeah. Students of today, yeah. I go sing kwa, this year no dear Debbie, Messi, I go sing kwa, this year no dear Amumpo.
Say like listen, me Gidia na me.
You Gidia na wo fe. Dia aduane ahodo be na wodi na wo.
Aduane mbe wo fi na me Gidia na me fe. Ya na me so chimi. Na me nurses no so. Mbaye.
O nurses mai. Umunza.
Na me call. Pharmacy buo the junction so na me go share me call no me
O sire
me
ela
baby,
Boy rich are you? Boy are serious?
I think then I know.
Me po enek me yesen coming back school but I was say me bana me bo amani ntin ma dem abawo.
Something. And the young queen now, you can question age na e den.
Sir.
Young queen question very miss. Don't say yes you are dear.
Mani enye fast.
ela Tusa. Huh? Can't you see you can protect yourself? Huh? What's your confidence at the bar?
I just mean yes that time. What's the change now? And yes,
Let you come so cram in me. What's up? What for me be mama? Ella.
eu fomos na casamento que tu não sabe ba. Eu só é sua mãe.
Casa por tudo só na ama.
Ama.
Ella, woman free me you are force. Okay.
Say, it is you.
Richard.
Me put them me cry.
Richard.
Say ya from an opinion now.
Richard, sorry, Kafra. No, what did he?
Say,
What did he?
second name home madam.
Scan no say. Now Richard, my country so here baby a friend me. Richard.
Chill down. Yes sir.
Be my name funny thing to me so.
Okay.
Richard.
Rich.
No one yet baby a day.
Na make us any sky be any more madam.
Into one day.
Only day.
Na draw so eh.
On no more draw, on more pay.
God, Richard, we man into Mortimer. Oh, Cassamy way, Richard. And then more. When they share only baby, who's an army a class now frame in on so there. My mom scouring say, Richard.
Say, I want upon a boom or boom with Java or one and number Java.
Richard, Miss Rob, Richard, Miss Rob, Peter would take a cram. My man is cannot do cause only send me class, Miss Lona, me could see a deck a cram. Why, Miss Rob? So my catcher saying, school, no, I make one when you're real.
Mensu, come to you. I am a faso. I be a few, but be careful. Shall one may see who's a one yam da? And got terrible being got it into two people. And will be once a winning tears for my maker.
We are there.
Sorry.
You.
Ella, when are they? See, they make catch on Ella. Oh, go school. Think about your school, your future. Think about your education. Ah, you want me what's high the time here? A wood school. You beat me a war. You beat me a baby. Ella, so dumb ya, Timothy. What?
I got also so dumb.
And tell me, say, me a bear. You did shammy. Missy Gay. Shammy. Why?
She wouldn't baby. Just carry on. Me by my first I say 800 Ghana on a funny hospital. You have a bit of more in my best be a mom friend. Me why? Richard me patrol page. I will take a grandma and I make Richard, I love you. Me so ready here, mommy. Yes, one.
And the only young call, me name Richard, which you need be a 2 at the Ghana matter. Boy, how come that? Can't quite more. Be so them. Where can I add you? Boy, that must have been one share. Oh, Yale, my Yale, for Swire, 300 Timmy, who she has me the zoo. I'm on 2 and 2 for Swire, now who are I am they? I always have a bit matty one. Only I get a 300 and a blood, no menche. I will get rich, maybe to Ghana. Very rich, very patrande. Oh, Daddy, old child. Rich me. Why I can't last 300 years, Manty. I just said, trend no, the Bible, Nina Maya. No one yet, what I say, the bit 200 of a boom.
Yes, in 30 minutes she will go out for break, so if you can wait for her, there wouldn't be a problem with that.
Wow, I thought I could, but in 30 minutes, I think my program will be due that they will need me at the office very soon. So I just passed by to check up on her, and seeing you, I'm okay. So I think the rest is in your hands.
All right, no problem.
Care of her for me.
I will do that. So I will let her know that you passed by, and
I'll be very happy for that.
Okay.
Thank you very much. So see you.
You're welcome.
200 na me say rich me penny blame me say for 200 series in boom say 200 penny let Jimmy amache say 200 the man me na me rich pa oh my 300 oh ba betim me hand you know what to me bla rich ska bi anim me twa ntrom rich ade sorry rich me nia no me twa ntini nya obone sorry very rich chrono na wo bon oh rich ntini twa ntro Meme de wo se 400 beba de ho hwe jamaga no de bi hye wo se me de wen to adura na de no de dio ti we no de hye ho ne wa modi anka sese we o de hye ho wa modi anka rich nka wallahi me ka tege so won yare da ko ka kire no enne ya ka woni ni me donya me se chakade me enko wo de we fe duro ndi no family ma me aduro ben tena She, tena. Na me yesi de me misuro bi do. Friend bla. Okay. Wo be bu mu kwase a.
Good afternoon. Mavis, come here. What's wrong with you? Nothing. Mavis, we've received a lot of complaints from the other students.
Madam, says what?
Says what?
Yeah, because I've done nothing.
You've done nothing?
Yeah.
So you've done nothing
Yeah.
and they keep complaining about you?
Madam, they all envy me, that's all.
They envy you?
Yeah, madam.
Just
but
that?
you know it. I've not done anything wrong on campus. They just envy me.
Okay. If that is what you're saying, let me just tell you something. In life,
Students of today, yeah, students of today, yeah. I go sing kwa, this year no dear Debbie. Yes, I go sing kwa, this year no dear yeah. Students of today, yeah, students of today, yeah. I go sing kwa, this year no dear Debbie. Yes, I go sing kwa, this year no dear yeah. The man and me part this year.
Senior Macon. Woody, I miss Senior Macon's never in the Jeffrey school. One more, and I see a woo. Hey! Ah, well.
it is not as you think or as you see it. So I'm telling you, it's better you change your behavior and ways, or else someday you will live to regret it.
Madam, don't say that. I've not done anything wrong.
If you've not done anything, how come the students have been complaining about you? Except that they love, enjoy, or they enjoy complaining about you.
Madam, I've already told you. They envy me. They envy me. I've not done anything.
You need to be careful, Mavis. Look at me. I'm talking to you. I'm your teacher.
Sorry, madam.
You need to be careful. Okay. Did you hear what I said?
Yes, madam.
Repeat.
Yes, madam.
What did I say to you?
You said I have to be careful.
That's it. Because if you don't take care, you will be dismissed from the school, or you'll be sacked.
Senior, you didn't come. Senior, and Casayo. Senior Macon.
Senior Macon's wiring.
Senior, you didn't come.
So the entering coming to are they? That's it. This is Senior Maconzi. And I'm back. And I'm back again. The Mohone Caneno. Naya Mohonam. Na free dear. A bear mutsum. Maybe any more. The Munsha Musapu Munsu.
Boy, in a set your woo. Ah, well.
Yaba.
So you need to be careful.
Alright, madam, I've heard you.
And don't trouble the students anymore. You are here to study, to have better grades. So that in future when you're out there, you'll be able to do something better with your life. Not to stay in the school to bother other students.
Madam, I said I've heard you. I've heard you. Yeah, I've heard what you said. And I'm okay. But me, you know me, madam, I've not done anything. No. I've not done anything wrong.
I have just told you my peace of mind. And I hope you listen to it. Go out of my face. Go!
Students of today, yeah, students of today, yeah. I go sing kwa, this year no dear Debbie, Messi, I go sing kwa, this year no dear yeah. Students of today, yeah, students of today, yeah. I go sing kwa, this year no dear Debbie, Messi, I go sing kwa, this year no dear
Yes, they like it. I told them to inform you, but I waited, you never came. What is the problem?
Yeah, boss, please, I'm sorry. That time I'm busy. I just want to do something, class, blah, 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 blah. forgive me.
Never mind. As I've met you, I think we'll be able to sort this issue. This is a matter of you coming to my office.
But let's go to office.
No. Let's sort it once and for all. I have gotten so many rumors of information concerning the way you teach.
Rumors
of information concerning the way you teach the children in the classroom.
Concern me?
Yes, of course.
For what reason?
They are telling me the kind of French that you teach them is beyond their measures.
Oh, what that one day I take the French to the next level. But that's one day I'm some kind of dream woman is
No, they are trying to say that to tell me you try to escalate the whole thing.
No, I'm not escalate, but I'm trying to take the school to the French to the different level. And a French na na me chill no say. Oko French plateau nim na yemrewano. Typical French.
Director, but there was one student who came from France, and whatever he's telling me tells me that whatever they teach them is not in the book. And I know very well.
Who said that?
One of the teachers, one of the students to be precise.
Oh, he's a liar. He's a liar. He don't know nothing about the French. He don't know nothing about the French. We survive the control.
What really baffles me is the CV that you brought tells me vividly that you are a competent and a reliable and a good teacher, whereby you can teach them French. But with the information I'm getting, is I don't know. I'll plead with you to go down.
Excuse me, Mr. Officer. Can you call a person to me?
Or in other words, you are going to accuse such a student in front of me.
I'm not accused, but I'm just wanting to. If you call the person to me, then I'll be very happy.
If I well, I'm not getting your words. What is my if I don't get
something
it.
Like what?
Oh, okay. So I'll tell you, or I'll plead with you to come down.
Okay.
You are going too high.
Oh, okay.
That is why they don't understand.
Okay.
So go down and let them understand.
Oh,
the French.
but that one day I'll go down. Maybe back up for me. That's a problem.
Very well.
Let me alone. I'm a woman. When they could deep,
That's the problem.
Hello, how are you?
Very
well. Come, you just come. Hey,
what?
Come.
Sir,
Come.
Why?
Where's your bed?
It's a tear. It's
a tear, you know, toi.
That's a no.
But he's torn, so let him go.
Yeah, it's a tear.
Well, I just am not catch a schoolmaster.
Me.
Huh? When I want them in school, I say, "Me French na me na boka on."
He's not part of this.
But I want to get this.
No, let him go.
Hey.
Why are you accusing him?
I will give you extra warning. Hey, be very careful about me.
He's not part of those people. Please, let him go.
Sir, I don't want. Master, I don't want to come home. I don't even understand.
No, you can go.
What did you do?
No.
Maybe I'm French in there.
So you can speak French?
I can speak French.
Oui, ça va.
Comment ça va?
Comment ça va? Comment
très bien, mon père s'appelle?
Mon père s'appelle Ivo.
Je m'appelle.
Why you m'appelle?
Mon père.
Mon père.
Also, my bread. They are sick and tired of.
Et toi, everyone say me yi mon père ne phone am dey yi comment.
Je vous nous suis too much.
Je vous.
Bibia je vous.
Je vous no na hamwa. How don't you come to me then you come to me?
I didn't come to master but je vous nagasa na 12 ko master.
Je vous no pa merci beaucoup.
On one by catch me. Je vous na broso so je vous na ba me ho be catch me.
Aye, wo da mama mo merci beaucoup.
Merci beaucoup. Na debia merci beaucoup. Debia merci beaucoup.
On ba classe debia.
Aye, merci nefu aka beaucoup no.
Hey, you French be film the beach
you are very good. Take it up. Okay.
Whatever. Come go.
Tell me.
School mini school
whatever problem you have, come and tell me.
When you come in school next time tomorrow, try to catch
him.
Try to catch him. I don't know my French name.
Ade, wash your helmet. Wash your helmet.
Master.
What is it?
Master. I didn't make an French casana about this week.
Hey, a Honda Civic.
A
Honda Civic. It's a French one. A Honda Civic here French.
I got me on
Honda Civic. There you can mean a French.
A Japan car.
say Japan relative friend.
Friend, I'm for. Only maybe the best.
Where I should be a Toyota or pet Toyota.
Eh, me tell no. Only maybe the best. Say, any.
Je m'appelle.
Ya travel.
Ya travel. Comment ça va?
Non, oui, ça va.
C'est. Mon père, je m'appelle. Ah, mon père, je m'appelle. Eh, mon père, je m'appelle. Ah, mon père. This is what you are. Ah,
better now. I come to
Okay. You see, the same person is even condemning your attitude. You go catch your tear, then you back again, then you cut.
That is not what I'm talking about. What I'm telling you, teach them what they understand.
But what is the same? You may see.
You can imagine how would they respect you
if you were a teacher. Try to entertain the class of people on the class.
You see?
Papa, no pay for me power class a comedian.
You see? He's telling you the same situation. You see? You better change your attitude or else you will be fired. You will be fired.
You have to catch up and talk to him.
No, you will be fired because all the teachers are doing all that they are supposed to do.
What am I doing?
Me pursue being a plus. I mean, who session problems?
We like you have a plus and your
That's a aqua brought water. That is the advice.
Merci beaucoup.
Oui.
Oui, on paye.
On paye.
On paye un moment, c'est.
And one more year.
I won't take us up. The dow buy now. This Mama Mo. And now Mama Mo is similar, but 1 year is Mama Mo is different and Amamo is different.
For the emfa, wallahi talai. I security man, nobody should go out. They are still in class.
I want to buy.
Don't buy anything, please.
I want to.
Tina.
Richard.
Oh, Nichi, I said. And now, quite a holiday there.
It's another holiday.
Holiday.
Then I'm just saying.
Think I'm in a day.
Why
did I wait me?
Sorry, what is so?
I'm just so.
No, I mean, I'll say.
Tina, the bishop.
As I jump on it, about him the same day.
I didn't jump on it. I did won't come in one.
Richard, you know I'm in my main cell. Richard.
Why, someone will come with a co.
And I know Cassandra was Richard.
Now, me can see a man now who's with the machine. I want to your message with machine. Now, say, we will print them on us already.
I did to see me a pinter.
Hey, bro. I am dropping new video. I don't know.
What video that?
Dance video.
Ah, yes. Too many. The last time I they watch you people.
Next person also.
Tell you niggas be sick. I they check you. The way you people they chop my banda.
Sir.
Hey, I they fool the nigga where they call me Eugene.
Yeah, Eugene.
That nigga be sick.
I be our boss too.
But that's not the watch some video where some nigga be writing in back say team manager. Yeah, he get some bow legs.
Kenneth, Charlie, Kenneth. Yeah, you are manager. Yeah, you are manager.
Hey, you people too.
Ah, bro. Bro, I'm a dance with them sure.
Yeah.
Says na me.
Charlie.
About they are actually.
Hey,
you are the one here.
Hey.
Obi here ba wonu se berry nka ho ene ye nkuja mu feel nti won
why don't one can't try me say baby I didn't say bedroom ha me de
you are my girlfriend so me can see emre feel adwen be ne se ba wutru
they be send the be me ba say ya say
e de be say come on nsi wo de come nsi de be ba ha ye de
na me ya na we yare ye ne sisi o say ba be pay me na jai me
ba ha meet me no wada me yale na so wa ye yi meet me no wa ye be nka se me yale nti hwe
me straight near be anything
na se wo no Adia mem
Richard, do them be now boyful.
Now would machine, me say.
Listen, me name so one me baby yes I do.
It will be the case in the
Richard, I'm not sure about to meet me do. Richard, mama.
And sound so.
We the fight. Wait, when me? Also, I also.
The other the bad match.
Why? I also didn't know intimate to one.
As I meant to meet anymore.
I also.
I did be a near Tabi Piacotadi, who you know.
Hey, I'm a good school yara.
Sure. This is my coin, Saba.
Right. As a dog, I'm crying. Also,
I am also a cry.
Nipa, my unit, you know, some pedo school. Now, so I was a school master in city, you be there. Once I'm of them, so no, I pedal, I say, I walk as well.
The Swaba, some say me bois. Your poor monko, Modon, one and Modon.
Eh, you make you
don't want. Eh,
Charlie. Hey, boy, you say what?
Share. Alright, medium is wrong.
Boy, you die like that too. Boy, I'm engine you. No, say this nigga they collect matata for this.
We name say when your man is nana with the machine. So how do you come put the machine compartment here?
Na say Richard, what can't me say about baby say?
It is a mechanic. You have to think smart. That's why you are a lady. A lady always thinks smart. A lady who doesn't think smart is a bubble there.
Oh, did they matter more?
You can't bubble it out here.
Oh, did they matter more? What person there way?
Another word for belle is belle.
Richard. Once when you're about for 20 now, we hear me saying. Say me kind.
What's me when you about for?
First, I tell you, my come on, neighbor.
Menti wa come bet.
Oh, it's in it.
What do you want your man say?
I don't want fool.
No, your man.
It will cry.
Oh, so me more kusi say so ba jina me ana.
Me na me so mo no so me so mo cry.
What park ya mo so bora ye ko you huru so. Ah?
But so me so mo cry.
Who so mo aye dey? Who so mo na say oye yi na ye obeyende. Obeyende dey o dey kan dey obeyende kan kire me. I'm in flame, I'm in country. This is a who ye bit my ye.
Students of today, yeah, students of today, yeah. I go sing kwa, this year no de debi. Me say I go sing kwa, this year no de amupo. Students of today, yeah, students of today, yeah. I go sing kwa, this year no de debi. Me say I go sing kwa, this year no de amupo. The man them me participate.
Senior, boss.
Boy, let me consider.
Charlie, my consider.
Hey, nigga, OJ can't pull.
Hey, Charlie, guru face pound. Hey.
No, thank you, the music boss.
I don't want to dance.
You be a DJ. Oh boy.
Hey, be my consider too, Charlie.
Next on Students of Today.
Me can't say much. When me tell me so pa. Campus we me who bia ye see ye yinadi. Say senior je kum ye ba form 1 senior je kum ye yinadi. Okosa abai me hu bi. Ella, tinu ma bi ase. Me feel. Ella, who twa fam swako?
Hello. I'm feeling you quite a bad person.
Now, let me tell you, I am a spirit being.
I see Nipa for being in the makers. Makonzi, my classmate, and you are a spirit being.
Nipa ba ko bit my higher, they are that softener.
Dear, what the guess no, I can't have so.
Yeah, and you tell me, Pesser, Mom Chidomombra, boost to me. Or qua, what don't Sabi Sobo? No, I can say, yeah. We run the town. We be around the school.
Students of today, yeah, students of today, yeah. I coach in Quan, the Siano de Debio. Messi, I coach in Quan, the Siano de Amumpo, yeah. The man and me may part this year, I could feel brown or mobile. Your back can be our moonfa, your moya, no more yo. 3940 on any gang, Chechiku, and a shifo. Stubborn boys, them day for campus. I'm with me, I like you wolf. Or your French, and I must want it. When a while cook as a conforce a call, best I could in the class. Or console when you're in the class. Where your bounce was a foul to bed your marks. Pout to bed your marks. Elani Jameson take the hood janty down or more. To be a democrat school, some of us there. Ain't he like, yeah, and I'm a friend in Swede. I want to dress and you. High school girls and boys.